Hey, little explorers, it's time to cuddle up, close your eyes, and join me on a magical adventure in Dino Land. Once upon a time, in a lush green valley surrounded by towering trees and sparkling rivers, lived Uncle Gary the T-Rex. Uncle Gary wasn't like the other dinosaurs. He was gentle and kind and loved telling stories under the starry sky. Tonight, Uncle Gary was joined by his best friend, Dino the Dino, a mischievous little triceratops always up for an adventure, and Whiskers the cat, with her soft silvery fur and a twinkle in her eyes. They were sitting around a cozy campfire, roasting marshmallows and sharing giggles. But oh no! Suddenly the bushes rustled and out jumped Hyena and his band of sneaky friends. They wanted to scare our friends and steal their marshmallows. Hyena laughed loudly, thinking he had won. But Uncle Gary, wise and brave, stood tall. He knew that together they were stronger. He gave Dino and Whiskers a reassuring nod, and together they decided to sing the most beautiful, soothing song. The melody was so enchanting that Hyena and his friends stopped in their tracks, mesmerized. As the song filled the air, something magical happened. Hyena's heart felt lighter, and he realized that making friends was much more fun than being mean. He apologized for his behavior, and soon they were all laughing and sharing stories around the fire. So, my little friends, remember, whenever you face challenges, stay close to your friends, and together you can overcome anything. Now, drift off to dreams, where adventures await and friends are always by your side. Good night, sleep tight, and dream of Dino Land tonight. Remember, adventures are best shared with friends, and a good heart always leads the way. Sweet dreams.